Well, they say never meet your heroes. So I came to Louisville for these guys.
We're villains. Hi, how's it going?
Yes.
Jackson, this is Matt, and we own PCBros, if you don't know who we are.
Yeah. They also have a small YouTube channel, but don't worry about that. It's gross.
That's right. I drove all the way from Atlanta, Georgia to Louisville, Kentucky to see what it takes to run a successful YouTube channel and PC selling business.
All right, so I'm trying to go to PCBros event and not even 30 minutes from the house, and we're pretty much half speed due to torrential downpour. So great start to the event so far.
We made it to Busey's or Bucky's or whatever.
A country road taking me home back to the place. Okay, that's enough of that. Look, it was dark coming into Kentucky and you couldn't film anything because it wouldn't show up on camera, and so here's some video of us leaving Kentucky, and don't at me about the dirty windshield. Alright, so we made it to Louisville. It is the morning of the event. Got in last night. It was late. It was about 11:30 before we got to the hotel. Thanks to all the lovely construction through Nashville and Louisville and, or I'm sorry, Louisville, whatever you want to call it. But effectively backed up the trip a bit, not to mention the rain at the beginning. So, but we're here, been down, we've had coffee. So at this point now it's just basically my wife is getting ready, and then we'll mosey on over to the event. And then it's time to start wreaking absolute havoc on the Toasty Bros. But first, the breakfast spread. Now you may be wondering, why drive 8 hours to meet some random YouTubers? Well, because it was 8 hours in a car with this hottie, and well, I've always been a fan of Jack and Matt. Yeah, some of their videos may be mid, but they've built a successful YouTube channel with over 500,000 subscribers, as well as a successful PC selling business. Plus, you know, you get to see this.
So I found the best car at the car show. Look at this. This is display work. Like, it's got to work.
Yeah, and then look at the taillights. I've got a key fob to turn them on and off.
Oh, nice.
And I could turn the radio on. It's got underglow. It actually has 4 speakers and then 2 subwoofers. Like if you look under here, there's 2 subs. Those
nice.
Subs. And then I've got a fire extinguisher under there.
Yeah, because safety first.
Yeah.
Awesome.
You can see the radio turn on right there. Yeah.
Nice.
Daytime, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, it's a fun one.
Very cool. I bet you it could take any of those Ducatis up there. Easy. 15? Yeah. You put me in it, you're going to cut that in half.
Razor electric scooters I cut up and mounted it on a block of wood, and that's how it gets up to speed.
Nice.
It's got an e-bike battery under the hood.
PCBros.tech, that's right.
So here's my engine bay. It's actually pretty clean for what it is. So.
Oh, yeah. Very nice, very nice. Great place to get a gaming PC. Maybe not working since you have to work the weekends.
The car show was indeed fun, but I did promise to wreak havoc, so when Matt was nice enough to start giving me a tour, I had to sneak off a bit.
Everyone should sub to PinkyTech, so we're going to make sure that everyone at the event knows to sub to PinkyTech.
After a little fun, it was time to check out the PC Bros setup. They have a ton of baller Optiplex builds for those gamers on a budget, as well as some quirky builds like the mini briefcase PC. And check out the carnage from the pizza. This was just halfway through the event.
In honor of Jackson, veggie pizza. And also because that's all it was left.
But the Toasty Bros promised me behind the scenes, and they left nothing to the imagination. I mean, nothing.
This is where they hide the bodies, I guess. But, well, if they're hidden, I'm not going back there to find any bodies. But, no. Wow, this would be like a perfect sniper's nest. You can just camp that door like it's Modern Warfare 2 and your name's Matt because you're not a good sniper. That makes it interesting. Look at all that. Okay, hold on a second. Yeah. Come here.
Oh, he's invading.
Who eats anything besides chicken ramen? Like chili ramen? Like you either have to go full on spicy or you have to go chicken.
There's a collection here.
The collection of soups, see,
and
rice, and yeah.
We all live like college kids.
I was gonna say it feels like someone actually lives here and eats here.
Yes. No,
Like, where's your stove? Like, you should have a stove. But of course, you can't really expect them to have a stove when they don't even have a ice maker anymore because, you know, it took forever for them to get an ice maker.
Don't bring that up.
Poor tool. Yeah.
Tool really want an ice maker. We got an air fryer. And
There you go.
oven, and we got fridge full of drinks. Well, not really full at the moment.
We're gonna need to clean
Oh gosh.
at some point.
Stop. Listen.
Behind the scenes
Listen,
at the
okay.
Toasty Bacteria HQ.
Listen,
This is what we have.
We never claimed to be cleanliness experts, okay? All right.
Yeah, and
We like to build the bacteria.
yeah, okay. Yes, this is where the magic happens.
Much cooler back here.
I would like to note, I'm not going to show everyone, that the helmets are already gone and it was not me.
It was not
So,
you.
yeah, see, there's no
We have
helmets
the
there.
Master Chief helmets ready to go.
Yes.
We just had to clean up the floor. You missed the end of the last string.
I did, yeah.
We had a bubble maker.
Sorry, I was working.
Yeah, you're
Or no, I was driving.
Yes,
Yeah,
we had a
the
bubble
giveaway
maker
stream.
during the
Mhm.
unboxing. And
Yeah.
we thought it'd be bright to let the bubble maker go. So the floor
Mhm.
was just like lined with soap.
Are you saying your floor was sticky, Matt? Okay.
And as we continued the tour, something magical happened. The Toasty Bros informed me that there was an exclusive that they were about to lay out for all the PinkyTech viewers.
PinkyTech exclusive. I gotta tell you guys this because we're not telling anybody, but we'll tell PinkyTech viewers. This PC's been sitting here for about a month because we were waiting for warm. Oh, knee pads. Knee pads.
Yeah, knee pads come in handy for a lot of stuff, but
Multi-purpose.
especially driving. Yeah.
Especially driving. So,
Yeah.
yes, exclusive for PinkyTech viewers. That video will be coming out at some point. I think we're filming that next week. So.
All right. Lady Pinky has made the discovery of the trip here. So this looks about like my room does. And then, of course, we have these guys, which are DC, and nobody cares about DC. So. Oh, wait, there's the wall of video cards that I can go.
Yeah, just
I mean,
knock it down.
I'm going to Jenga and just grip the 4090 box out of the bottom and then see what happens there.
So we continued to joke around and talk shop until the moment that I can say absolutely changed my life forever.
This is a big honor. What a world. This is like insane.
Yeah.
This is a big moment.
This is the biggest moment in PinkyTech history. Oh, yeah.
It's insane.
That was,
Wow, great form.
I feel like part of the family now.
So I want to give a big thank you to Lady Pinky, who dealt with the terrible driving conditions on the way up and back from Louisville, Louisville, one of them. Anyway, but big thank you to her, who went basically for nothing because I forgot to steal some of that wonderful PC Bros merch for her. Once again, big thank you to Jack and Matt, everyone at the Toasty Bros, everybody at the PC Bros, all nice people, really welcoming and really helped us out as far as just giving us the entire experience and being genuinely nice people. If you haven't heard of the Toasty Bros or the PC Bros, go ahead and check out their YouTube channels. I'll have them linked down in the description below because they're really small operations, especially the Toasty Bros. They have next to no subscribers, so they really need help from someone like me who has millions upon millions of subscribers here on YouTube. Don't go looking at that. Just, I have millions of subscribers. That's all you need to know, okay? But if you're not one of those subscribers, make sure you hit the subscribe button on your way out. Hit the like button, leave a comment, all that good stuff. And as always, guys, I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video.